Year 6 fractions can be expressed as decimals. For example, 1 over 2 is 1 divided by 2. Write the fractions as decimals. 1/3 is 1 divided by 3. 2/3 is 2 divided by 3. 4/7 is 4 divided by 7. On D, we have the divisions, so that would be 3 over 5. E, we have something over 7 is the same as 3 divided by something. So 3 must be the numerator, 7 is the divisor, and 1/10 is the same as 1 divided by 10. Slide number 3. So use the short division method to find the decimal equivalent to the fractions. So 4 divided by 1. 1 divided by 4. How many 4s in 1? 0. How many 4s in 10? 2 remaining. How many 4s in 25? That's 0.25. 4 divided by 5. How many 5s in 4? 0. How many 5s in 40? 8. So 0.8. So we've got 3 divided by 8 for the next one. How many 8s go into 3? 0. Put the decimal points in. How many 8s in 30? So that's 3 with a remainder of 6. How many 8s in 60 is 7 with a remainder of 4. And how many 8s in 40 is 5. So that's 0.325. It's a bit messy, I apologise, but that's what it is. How many 8s in... So 7 divided by 8. How many 7s go into 8? That's 0. We'll put the decimal points in. How many 8s in 70? That's 8 with a remainder of 6. How many 8s in 67 with a remainder of 4? How many 8s in 45? That's 0.875. The next one, 7 divided by 5. How many 5s in 7? 1. Put the decimal points in. Got a remainder of 2. How many 5s in 2? Sorry, how many 5s in 20? Is 4, so the answer is 1.4. C, 1 divided by 16. Let me draw out the bus stop. Oops. Okay, how many 16s go into 1? 0. I'll put the decimal points in and carry the 1. How many 16s in 10? 0. So again, I need to carry the 10 across. Okay, how many 16s in 100? Just calculating it in my head. How many 16s in 100? There's 6 with a remainder of 4. How many 16s in 40? That's 2 with a remainder of 8. How many 16s in 80 is 5. So the answer is 0.0625. Slide number 4. Oh, sorry, D. 9 divided by 16. How many 16s in 9? 0. Put my decimal points in and some zeros to help me carry the 9 forward. How many 16s in 90? How many 16s in 90? Again, just quickly doing it in my head, there's 5 with a remainder of 10. So how many 16s in 100? Well, I'd just done that one below, and there was 6 with a remainder of 4. I think, yes, there was. How many 16s in 40? 2 with a remainder of 8. And how many 16s in 80? There's 5. So the last D is 0.5625. Slide 4. To find 19/20ths of a decimal, I found out 1/20th as a decimal, then took it away from 1. Use Store's method to find the equivalent of 49 over 50. So I'm going to work out 1/50th, so 50 divided by 1. How many 50s in 1? 0. I'll put some decimal points in. How many 50s in 10? 0. Need to work out how many 50s are in 100. It's 2. So I know that 1/50th is 0.02. And if I do 1, take away 0.02, that'll give me an answer of 0.98. So 49 over 50 is the same as 0.98. And slide number 5. I converted half to a decimal and got the answer 2. Is Jack incorrect? Explain the mistake that Jack has made. Well, he's done 2 divided by 1, then he should have done 1 divided by 2.